everybody. Tristan and Emma here. We are headed up to Sedona, which is in northern Arizona. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we're escaping the heat of Phoenix, and it's also Tristan's birthday on Monday. Whoop whoop! So we're just getting out of the Phoenix area on the freeway right now, and the drive up to Sedona from where we are is about 2 hours. It's absolutely gorgeous. Desert, red rocks, winding roads, so enjoy these next few clips of what our drive looks like.
Alright guys, we have arrived at our Airbnb here in Sedona, and we just checked in and met our Airbnb host. This place was only $55 a night. The host said he usually charges upwards of $140 during peak season, but due to the whole coronavirus situation, not as many people are visiting here in Sedona, and it is way larger, way nicer than we expected. When you first walk in, where I'm at right now, it is a full-on living room, and you walk over here to the kitchen, full-on kitchen. It's got a fridge, stovetop. Follow that around, and there is a brand new bathroom. And you go back this way, and there is another living room and the bedroom area. So this place seems brand spanking new. Fortunately, we had an Airbnb gift card to use, but only $55 a night, and we definitely lucked out. The location is great too. It is, actually there's a trailhead that starts right on our property, so we're gonna go ahead and head out there right now and start a hike, but the view is insane. We'll have to show you that when we get out there. Alright, so this is the beginning of the trailhead right here, and this is right behind our Airbnb.
Trailhead's over there.
Well, trailhead's down there, but that's the path that leads from it. So I think the hike that we're gonna do is Chimney Rock and like a loop around. So Chimney Rock is that thing right there.
Looks like a chimney.
Apparently it's like a 2-mile loop. So this is just to get our feet wet, because there's what, hundreds of trails here in Sedona?
Much. Too many to do. Not enough time.
Alright, so here's the trailhead.
Alright, so this is the Amitabha Stupa and Peace Park. It's actually located just near that Thunder Mountain trailhead. So a stupa is a Buddhist temple or place of worship, but anyone here is welcome of any religions. Sometimes they have, you know, prayer ceremonies going on. I believe right now everything is closed, but it's completely donation based. So I believe it's 14 acres of land that they own here at this Peace Park, so you're welcome to walk around the grounds, stay, meditate, and donate up by the stupa if you feel called.
I find this extremely cool because this isn't something that you see in the United States. Pagodas or stupas or really anything Buddhist related. So this is pretty unique for the US. When we were traveling, we would see these everywhere throughout Asia. And this particular one reminds me of Nepal with the Tibetan prayer flags everywhere. So glad we came across this. All right, guys, we are just wrapping up this 2.5 mile hike. My camera's about to die, so I think we're gonna end this vlog here for the day and save some content to come because we're gonna be doing a lot of hiking. I think tomorrow we're gonna get up and do a 6 mile hike in the morning and then try and squeeze in another one in the afternoon if we're not too tired. So a lot more hiking, a lot more scenery and landscapes to show you guys of the beautiful red rocks and the awesome town and city of Sedona. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and keep an eye out for more Sedona videos to come up. Bye, Emma.
Bye.